Alright, we're doing a quick review of this Yishu Surge Protector power outlet, which has 8 outlets, 3 USBs, and 1 USB-C. On the side there are 2 outlets each, and then on the top we have 4. So there's 8 total Surge Protector from Yishu. So the Surge Protector was about $10. It's equal to the price of the Amazon Basics Surge Protector. This one has 8 instead of 6, so you get 2 more. Plus you get the USB connection on the side. So when you connect it to the wall, it's slanted sideways like this, instead of being straight down. I don't know if that's going to affect people, but just a heads up. And when it's plugged in, this blue light turns on right here. It says protected. But yeah, that's Yishu Surge Protector power outlet.